Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be redoing my coffee bar. I'm going to be decorating it a little bit differently and kind of just revamping it and making it a little bit different because I was kind of getting bored with it. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you're new to my channel, I also wanted to mention I'm going to be out of breath. I'm literally I'll be 33 weeks pregnant on Friday, so probably by the time you see this video, I will be 33 weeks pregnant. And I'm just out of breath. And I'm just exhausted doing anything, so if you hear me kind of talking like I just ran a marathon, that is why. It is my little man over here. So anyway, yeah, like I said, I have a coffee bar in my house. I don't drink coffee, so I made it for my husband. He loves coffee, so I thought this would be cute for him for when he's getting ready in the mornings and stuff. So I have this little area and I'm kind of just getting bored with it, and I feel like it's kind of just like blah. So I just want to see what I can do to kind of refresh it. So that's the plan for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. I'd love to have you. And let's get into it. So this is the before, and this is how I have it set up right now. I just have the little coffee bar sign, Keurig, all of the essentials, a little plant here, some other stuff, and then down here I just have some like extra products. So this is what it currently looks like, and I just feel like it's kind of blasé, so I want to revamp it up a little bit, make it kind of cute, decorate it a little bit more. So that is my game plan. Okay, so I went ahead and just cleared everything off. When I start a new project like this, I just like to start with a blank slate, so I kind of just have like my mind completely open and I can just figure out what I want to do. So everything is cleared off, and then I'm going to go ahead and just wipe everything down really quick so it is nice and clean. Since I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had afforded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh. So today I did partner with a company called Polar Whale, and they are known for home and beauty organizational items. And they were so kind, and they sent me this little KCup Organizer, and I thought it would be perfect because I was redoing my coffee bar, and I was like, oh my god, that's awesome. So instead of just having your K-Cups thrown in the box in your pantry or in the drawer, they actually have these amazing organizers, and it's made with a high density foam. It's very durable. You can actually clean it, and it doesn't squeak or anything, but you can find them on Amazon. I will have all of their information in my description box. So they have all kinds of like stuff to organize your beauty products, your jewelry. They also have really cool fun stuff like pool floaties and all that kind of. You guys gotta check them out. They're really cool. It's Polar Whale. But they also, for their Keurig cups, they come in different sizes, so you can actually measure your cabinet drawers and get one that actually fits perfectly. So this is the one that I got. This fits my drawers, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this, because since I do have this coffee bar right here, I actually want this to be on my coffee bar rather than hidden away in a drawer. So I'm going to be using this in a different way. So you could totally do that, or you could put it in your drawer. If you have a little drawer, you just pull it out and all of your K-Cups will be nice and organized. If you have like a Keurig or, you know, that type of thing. So that is where this came from. Make sure you check out their Amazon store. I will have it linked in my description box. So like I said, I don't drink coffee, and if you're new to my channel, my husband has been deployed the past 8 months. So these coffee machines have just been sitting there because I don't drink coffee, so I don't use them. So I'm just going to quickly wipe them down because they are pretty dusty. He gets back very soon, and I know he's going to be ready for his coffee, so I want everything to be nice and clean for him. This is how I want to incorporate the little KCup organizer, so it's actually on display, because I think it'll look really cute once all the cups are in there. And then I have this, as of right now, this is how all of my my K-Cups were organized, just thrown in this little bucket. So now you can easily find the flavors, and everything is just nicely organized. So this little thing fits 35 K-Cups, so that's a pretty good amount. I do need to get him some new flavors because pumpkin spice, and then we tried this keto French vanilla and he didn't like it, so that's why there's so many of them. So I am gonna go buy him some of the ones that he really likes. But doesn't that look so cute? So I think that looks so cute. It's like a little Keurig K-Cup wall. It's adorable. So I really love the way that looks. I think it looks so much more organized. You can easily read all of the flavors rather than just having them thrown in a bucket or something like that. Okay, so I also have this little chalkboard that I wanted to incorporate. I used to use it for my menu, but then I got a different one. So I wasn't using it, and I was like, ooh, this could be cute to incorporate. So I want to put it right here. So basically my idea for this is I like to leave my husband little notes in the morning. He has to get up super early for work, like 3:30, 4 o'clock early. So I like to usually just leave him like little post-it notes on by his coffee, so in the morning he can like start off to a good start. But I thought this would be super cute because it's chalkboard, so I can easily just write him little notes in the morning and just kind of do something a little sweet for your hubby. So that is my plan for the chalkboard. Alright, so I feel like every space needs some type of greenery or floral just to really make it come together. So I'm going to put that in the corner. And then I found these really cute little mini mugs from the Target dollar spot. This one says espresso yourself, and this one says hot stuff. Maybe right here, kind of just to have a little cute decor. Okay, so now I have this little black tray, and this is from Target dollar spot. It was $3. I got these a while ago, so they probably won't have them at the moment, but some type of cute tray, and I'm just going to put that right there. And then I just have this little mason jar mug, and this is what I put his ground coffee in, because sometimes he likes to actually do just the ground coffee rather than the K-Cup pods. So, and then it's chalkboard too, so I just write. So this is a medium roast. So I think that's a really cute idea. You can put your coffee in there rather than having them in the bags. I think this looks really cute. And then I have these little wooden spoons, and I just keep that in there for him to scoop. And then I also like to have a little mason jar full of sugar as well. So yeah, I'm not a huge coffee drinker. I mostly do it for my husband, but I am determined because I feel like I'm going to need some mom fuel when little man comes. I feel like I'm going to be probably pretty tired, and I'm not a huge tea drinker, and I don't want to drink soda for caffeine. So I really want to like coffee. Like, I think that coffee smells good, it looks delicious, but I just don't like it. So I'm determined to try to find a drink that I do like. So if you have any recommendations for beginners on coffee, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to do it. But he loves Starbucks, and so I thought it would be cute to get the ingredients that Starbucks uses and try to recreate some of his favorite Starbucks drinks. So I went ahead and went to Walmart, and I picked up these little Tirani syrups, and I got a French vanilla one and a caramel one, and then I also got these Ghirardelli caramel sauce and then a white chocolate sauce. So this is what I'm going to use to make his like caramel macchiato, and then I'm going to try to also make him like a white chocolate mocha. So I got all these fun stuff, and I'm hoping that I'm gonna like it too, so we'll see. It's funny how easily life can be torn. Okay, and then I also want to have my little stir stick so he can easily mix his coffee, and then some like sugar and stuff. So I just have this little white ramekin. But why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? think that looks cute. So I like to just kind of step back and look at it from a distance and see if there's anything that I need to do. I do want to raise this coffee bar sign a little bit because the chalkboard is tall, but I need my husband's help to do that. So that's going to have to wait. But other than that, I'm thinking it's looking cute.
I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the zone.
Alright guys, so that is the finished product. It definitely did, I think it looks a lot better. I just did a few little things to kind of bring some life to it and some excitement. So I hope you guys liked this video, got some cute ideas if you want to make yourself a little coffee bar or coffee station. Make sure you guys go check out Polar Whale. I will have all of their information in my description box. Get yourself some cute little home organizational items because they are great products and I absolutely love them. A big thank you to Polar Whale for partnering with me on today's video, and thank you to everyone who watched. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you're new here, and I will see you guys next time on Life with Liz. Bye guys!